If you're looking for heavy truck replacement parts or accessories at aftermarket prices, then you need to check out MPGtruckparts.com.
Hi, I'm Brett with Midwest Peterbilt Group, and today I'm here to talk to you about our private label truck parts and accessories that are available at all of our current locations. We have these parts available for all makes, all models. They're available at a great price point for you and your customers. And now we can talk about some of the accessories and parts we have available. Door striker, air dryer cartridges, complete air dryer assemblies, air pressure switches for your AC system or your fluid level sensor. So if your wife's been bugging you to get that truck out of the weeds, we've got the parts to fix it up.
To see our full line of private label truck parts and accessories, visit us online at www.mpgtruckparts.com.